Hey there! Today on Cool Product, we're checking out the top 5 best portable CD player, featuring some amazing audio gadgets designed for every music lover. Let's get started! At number 5, we have the Dodocool KC-909 portable CD player. The Dodocool KC-909 portable CD player is a versatile 6-in-1 audio solution designed to bring convenience and high-quality sound to any environment. This multifunctional device supports CD playback, Bluetooth streaming, FM radio, aux-in, TF card, and USB disc playback, offering a broad range of options to enjoy music from almost any source. It is compatible with various CD formats, including CD, CD-R, CD-RW, CD-MP3, and CD-WMA, while its advanced sound source decoding ensures clear and immersive audio performance. Designed for flexible placement, the KC-909 comes with a wall-mounted kit and a desk bracket, allowing users to install it on walls or place it on a desk. Its minimalist white design not only complements any room decor, but also keeps the device protected with a CD dust cover that preserves sound quality. A wireless infrared remote control enhances convenience, making it easy to manage playback from across the room, whether in a home entertainment setup or during office meetings. The LED display screen provides clear information about the current playback mode, simplifying operation and offering a user-friendly experience. Combining modern functionality with practical design, the Dodocool KC-909 portable CD player serves as both an entertainment hub and a stylish addition to any space. Its ability to handle multiple media formats and playback options makes it a versatile choice for music enthusiasts seeking flexibility, quality, and ease of use in a compact, elegant package. Next up, at number 4, we have the Lepwell portable CD player. The Lepwell portable CD player is a versatile audio device designed to bring music to any space with convenience and style. Its retro-inspired design houses a compact yet powerful sound system, delivering high-fidelity audio that enhances every listening experience. Equipped with a durable 4,000 mAh battery, it allows up to 4 hours of continuous playback, making it ideal for both home use and on-the-go enjoyment. This all-in-one player supports a wide range of playback options, including CD, Bluetooth, USB, and FM radio, allowing users to seamlessly switch between different audio sources. The player's Bluetooth capabilities enable both receiving and transmitting functions, offering flexible connectivity with smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Audio output options expand its usability further, connecting easily to external speakers or headphones for customized listening. For added convenience, the Lepwell portable CD player comes with a wireless remote, making it easy to control music playback, adjust volume, switch audio sources, and tune FM stations from a distance. Its combination of portability, powerful sound, and modern connectivity makes it a fitting choice for music enthusiasts who appreciate both classic CD playback and contemporary wireless features. Compact in size, but robust in performance, this CD player ensures that high-quality audio is always within reach, whether in the comfort of your home or during casual outings. With its thoughtful design and versatile functionality, the Lepwell portable CD player bridges the gap between retro charm and modern technology, providing a reliable and enjoyable music experience for any setting. Taking the third spot is the Nobsound R300 portable CD player. The Nobsound R300 portable CD player redefines on-the-go music enjoyment with a perfect blend of classic and modern features. Designed for music enthusiasts, this universal disc player supports multiple formats, including CD, MP3, WAV, and WMA, offering the flexibility to enjoy a diverse range of audio. Its portable design, crafted with hand-painted tactile material, combines lightweight convenience with a stylish, durable finish, making it easy to carry anywhere. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, the R300 enables high-fidelity wireless audio streaming, ensuring a stable and immersive listening experience without the clutter of cables. For audiophiles seeking premium sound, the optical output delivers crystal clear audio, allowing the player to seamlessly connect with external sound systems for an enhanced audio performance. The player also features a long-lasting 2,000 milliamp hour battery, providing up to 6 hours of continuous playback, so you can enjoy your favorite music throughout the day without frequent recharging. Whether used at home, during travel, or outdoors, the Nobsound R300 offers a versatile, high-quality audio solution, merging classic CD functionality with modern wireless technology in a compact, elegant design. This combination of format versatility, portable build, wireless freedom, and superior sound quality makes the Nobsound R300 a standout choice for those who want a seamless, high-fidelity music experience wherever they go. Coming in at number 2 is the Philips EXP5608 portable CD player. The Philips EXP5608 portable CD player redefines the portable audio experience, combining classic design with modern technology. Equipped with two 40mm inner magnetic speakers, it delivers immersive sound quality that captures both the clarity of treble and the depth of bass. Each note is reproduced with precision, creating an auditory experience that feels like being right at the heart of the music. Designed for versatility, the EXP5608 supports a wide range of disc formats including CD, CDR, CDRW, and MP3 discs, ensuring that your favorite collection is always playable. Beyond traditional CDs, this player embraces modern digital media with USB flash drive and TF card support for MP3 and WMA playback. Additional audio connections allow integration with other devices, giving users more options to enjoy dynamic sound. One of the standout features is its two-way Bluetooth 5.0 functionality. The device can both transmit and receive audio, allowing seamless connection with headphones, speakers, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. This ensures flexible use whether you're sharing music with friends or enjoying private listening. Philips has also prioritized convenience. The EXP5608 remembers the playback position when interrupted by power failure or when changing TF cards, letting you resume listening instantly. This intelligent memory function eliminates the frustration of restarting tracks or albums, making every listening session effortless and enjoyable. Blending classic CD functionality with modern digital connectivity, the Philips EXP5608 portable CD player appeals not only to music lovers, but also to tech enthusiasts who value both style and performance. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to carry, allowing users to immerse themselves in high-quality audio anytime, anywhere. With its impressive sound, multi-format compatibility, and advanced Bluetooth features, the EXP5608 stands out as a sophisticated and versatile portable audio solution. And finally, our top pick, the Fiio DM13 portable CD player. The Fiio DM13 portable CD player represents a fusion of compact design and high-fidelity audio performance. At the heart of its specially designed audio architecture are two flagship Cirrus Logic CS43198 DAC chips paired with low-noise hi-fi SGM8262 headphone amplifiers. This dual DAC and dual amplifier configuration delivers rich, detailed sound with powerful output, allowing the DM13 to faithfully reproduce every nuance of your music. Despite its advanced capabilities, the DM13 remains remarkably portable. Measuring just 144 by 137 by 27 millimeters, it is smaller than most conventional CD players, making it easy to carry or fit into limited spaces. The inclusion of an ESP switch ensures consistent and stable playback, whether you're stationary at home or moving between locations. The player is designed for versatility. It features a custom LCD display, 3.5mm and 4.4mm headphone outputs, and optical and coaxial digital outputs, supporting both desktop and portable setups. Users can also enjoy USB CD ripping and high-quality wireless streaming via aptX HD Bluetooth, expanding its functionality beyond traditional CD playback. The DM13 emphasizes careful handling of your discs. Its smoothly operating lid allows easy insertion, and the spacious disc compartment minimizes the risk of scratches even during high-speed rotation. This thoughtful design preserves the integrity of your music collection while enhancing the tactile experience of physical media. Despite its compact form, the DM13 delivers enormous power. It can drive a wide range of headphones and connect seamlessly to powered speakers or other headphone amplifiers, offering an extraordinary listening experience. With its combination of portability, powerful audio performance, and practical design, the Fiio DM13 stands out as a versatile solution for audiophiles seeking high-quality sound on the go. What an amazing lineup of CD players! Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more great reviews.